Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can mirror your phone to a TV, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that matter, simply go ahead and first of all check your internet. It needs to be good. Once you have done that, you're going to swipe down your control bar and then go and tap on the screen mirroring option. Now here just need to wait for the TV option to appear. Now what you have to make sure that you have connected, and then once your list of TV comes in, whichever one your TV is, tap on that, and then you need to enter a code, the passcode displayed on your TV screen. And once you have added that particular code, you need to again simply go ahead and again swipe down your control center and tap on screen mirroring again, and then your screen mirroring will be started for iOS devices. Now for Androids, you need to again verify the Wi-Fi. Then you have to go to your settings, and then you have to go to the notification panel, and from there you're gonna go ahead tap on smart view for Samsung, and then cast, screencast, or wireless projection for any other devices. It might be one of the names. Then simply have to connect your TV and you're good to go. That's how it works. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.